All of Aardman's stop motion films are among the highest grossing stop motion films ever, with their debut Chicken Run, which came out in the year 2000, being the highest grossing stop motion film of all time. And while we're on the subject of stop motion, I have to mention three pioneers of the craft. The first one contributed immensely to the art of not only animation, but special effects in general. His name is Raymond Frederick Harryhausen, basically Ray Harryhausen. Was born in 1920 and died in 2013. He was an artist, a designer, a visual effects creator, writer, producer, and he created a form of stop motion model animation known as Dynamation. His work included the animation for films like Mighty Joe Young in 1949, for which he won an Academy Award for Best Visual Effects. His first color film, The Seventh Voyage of Sinbad, which came out in 1958. Jason and the Argonauts, which came out in 1963. And his last film before he retired, Clash of the Titans, which came out in 1981. I can't tell you how influential this one person has been in the world of animation and effects. Here's a little tribute video that was made about him soon after he died.